Alright, sick. Well, let's give it a shot.
Yeah, man.
Switch it up like